Hi, and welcome to another Making a Home Monday. Today I'm going to start my goal setting process for 2024, and I thought I would share that with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the first in a series for this month. I feel like goal setting and knowing what direction you want to go and what you need to do to achieve those goals is a really big part of making your house a home. And so I thought that would be a good series for December as we get ready for 2024. So today I will focus on reflection. And then next week, I'm going to focus on using the 12-week year method to make goals and track goals. And then the third week, I'm going to focus on habits and how to track those. And then the last week, I will talk about setting up a Kanban board. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But it's just a really nice visual for tracking your progress towards your goals. So that's what you have to look forward to for this month. But like I said, today we are going to talk about reflection. So here I have my bullet journal for this current quarter, and I was debating if I wanted to do my reflection in my new bullet journal or if I was okay with doing it in this one. So here's the deal. I decided to go ahead and do it in this one since this is my messy figuring out bullet journaling journal. And I figure if I want to move it over into my next one, I can do that. So for the purpose of this video, I just kind of want to share with you the setup and the questions. I don't know that I'm going to go ahead and journal it with you guys, but I'll probably reference back to my completed sections in the future videos. But today I'm just going to share with you my setup. So the first thing I want to do is I want to reflect on this last quarter, and I want to think about what worked. What were some things that were helpful? Some things that I could put down here would be, you know, getting up earlier or using a block schedule or anything like that. Anything that was helpful that worked. What did I learn? It's always great to reflect on what you have learned the last quarter. What were some challenges? This is a good place to just kind of write down things that you still have struggles with, and then maybe you can tackle those with some goals. What are some distractions? This is a good reflection for me because I don't really think about how often I scroll on my phone, and sometimes just taking time to think, okay, there are distractions in my life. What are they? And listing them out helps me to realize them and work on not doing them. And then what am I grateful for? So that's just a last quarter reflection. And then over here on the other page, I'm going to do a goal setting brain dump. So just what do I want to accomplish this quarter and what motivates and excites me? Just kind of a hodgepodge of things. It could be like one word. I could, you know, doodle. I can write bullets and sentences. It's however I want to do it, but that's what I plan to do on that page. And then here, I think I found this really helpful. So I took areas in my life, and then I want to evaluate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, of how do I word it? Where I feel, how I feel I'm doing in that area of life. So being involved in community, my family, my health, home, work, learning, my spiritual self. That doesn't make sense. My faith is essentially what that spiritual one is. Personal, fun and recreational, and then finances. So I'll rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, and then I left myself some space to just make notes. And in here I might say, you know, I really enjoy being involved in my church community. I could do this better. Just whatever notes about where I think I currently am, why I gave myself the number that I gave myself. And then over here, we're going to focus on the big picture. So overall, when I think about these aspects or areas of my life, what do I want it to look like? And so I'm just gonna write out underneath those like what my ideal situation would be. And then I'm going to take that ideal, that big picture, and I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna think about what can I do this quarter to get towards that bigger picture. So what would that look like this quarter if I'm working towards getting to the big picture? And this can really help pull out some goals. And so this is kind of the reflection I'm going to do. And then I have this goal action plan. So you'll write your goal here, and then underneath that I'm going to write down the things that I need to do to get there. So if it is a weight loss goal, down here I might put track my meals, and then write out the exercise plan I plan to use, and just anything I need to do. I might list things I need to buy, time that I need to set aside each day to attain that goal. So all those things are going to be listed under here. And that's going to be important because I will use all of these things that I list in the 12-week year plan. So that is what I'm going to do this week, the reflection I'm going to do. And I'll have more than one goal. Obviously, I just have that one written out right there. But anyway, I hope you guys find this video helpful. And I look forward to sharing my goal setting with you guys this month. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.